Hello everyone. I have received some queries regarding Webull option trading. I found that the questions are very good. Thus, I think it would be good to prepare a video to explain and share to everyone here. Especially thanks TechFact Global to ask these good questions. First, is option buy or sell also $0 in Webull? We know that one of their key difference from the others broker is their zero commission option trading fee. However, as I mentioned in my past video regarding the full to Moomoo fee, the same is applied to Webull. Regulatory transaction fee, trading activity fee, options regulatory fee, and clearing fee are still applicable. These are the fees collected by the relevant authorities such as FINRA and OCC. You may refer to my previous video on the details of each fee. Take note that Webull does not profit from these fees. Then, I did a buy and sell trade on SPY option to check for the fee incurred. First, let's check on the option buy. My trade was failed. We can see that OCC and option regulatory fee were charged. OCC is the clearing fee, where 2 cents per contract is charged, with a cap of $55 per trade. Option regulatory fee is charged with around 3 cents per contract. Take note that there is no cap stated on this. Thus, a buy trade will cost around 5 cents per contract, which is still significantly lower than most of the other brokers where they charge 65 cents to $3 per contract. Let us see how the option selling charges. Both OCC and option regular fee are the same as option buy fee. For option selling, similar to the stock, both SEC fee and trading activity fee with a minimum of 1 cent per trade is charged. Thus, the total cost for my option selling fee is 7 cents. I would say that this is not a marketing gimmick. No matter which broker we use, we are obligated to pay these fees. Let me know if there is any broker absorb these fees themselves. Second question, do they allow covered calls selling a call option? Too bad, at this moment, selling a covered call and cash secured put is not available at this moment. I have talked to the support and basically we will have to wait until short selling for options is available. Third question, if zero charge for commission and usage, how do they make money? How do they pay to their employees? This is a very good question. In fact, commission is only one of the sources of revenue. This is a chart extracted from Central Point Security as an example. We could see that commissions could only occupy up to 10% of a broker's revenue. Here, I will talk more about the interest part. You may notice that those zero commission brokers such as Webull, Tiger, and Futu Moomoo will give many welcomes offer if we place an initial deposit of XXX amounts. Now, we even need to maintain a net cumulative amount for a period of time. They are fighting for the capitals from investors. The reason is simple. When we put our money in the broker, we may, and most of us, will keep a certain percentage of cash. When there are many users deposit the money, just the interest alone they earn in bank is huge. In addition, they can also lend this money to the other users who are using margin and collect higher interest from them. Fourth, how is the SGD to USD conversion rate compared to Moomoo? I have done a comparison between two brokers by changing $100 USD to 100 SGD and from 100 SGD to 100 USD at the same time. First, let me show the screenshot. Webull 100 USD to 138 and 25 cents SGD. Rate is 1.3825. 100 SGD to 71.91 USD. Rate is 0.7191 USD. Futu Moomoo 100 USD to $188.21. Rate is 1.3821. 100 SGD to 71.87 USD. Rate is 0.718. This is the summary table. From here, we can see that Webull has a better currency exchange rate than the Futu Moomoo. Fifth, question regarding the initial deposits. I also received private messages on some users fail to get the criteria to receive the welcome rewards as their initial deposit is below $2,000. Initial deposit means that your first deposit has to be at least $2,000 to get the reward. As shown in the criteria 2, initial deposit is one of the requirements. By the way, this is the new promotion of Webull, where initial deposit of at least $2,000 alone will grant us $20 worth of Microsoft fractional shares. Then, by completing 6 more trades, we could be rewarded additional $100 USD worth of Microsoft fractional shares. Please sign out with the QR code here to enjoy the reward. By the way, if you fail to receive the reward due to the initial deposit issue, you may still message support and let them know you would like to rectify the issue. I would say that Webull's customer service is excellent and they are very helpful. They will give you different advice on how to eligible for the reward again. Thus, don't be upset if you are not eligible. Text them and they will help you for sure. Okay, that's all for my video today to address several questions regarding Webull platform. Let me know if you have any other question and I will be happy to help. See you in the next video.